Hello and welcome to Diski TV. My name is Nguleko Nkeu. This show is proudly brought to you by Rexona. It won't let you down. We are back in the country as the Diski TV team with our brother Ubongani Mnisi Ubobo, also with Ukhaukelo Sibata as well. Thank you very much for joining us, and I'm sure you know what we're about to talk about. Our country is at the World Cup. They lost the first game to the country of Mexico, 2-0, 2 red cards, and a very difficult formation to consume. Bobo told us long time ago, maybe a few months ago, that we will play with 8 defenders. Many did not believe him. Well, that prophecy came to fruition. We'll touch base about that match now. We'll talk about that. And in the show, we'll ask, and we're asking you as well, please let us know on the comment section, do you believe Bafana Bafana will get to the next round of the World Cup? Can they beat Czechia, the Czech Republic, or can they beat South Korea to at least get 3 points from one of the 2 remaining games? Thank you for joining us. Please let us know what you think on the comment section. Please make sure you like the videos as well. We are glad to be back. Thank you to the people of Mexico as well for treating us well. Bobzit, thank you very much for joining us. How are you, sir?
I'm good, Mr. Nkeu, right?
Kukhona.
Hayi mina ngithuza ngibulisa mhlawumbe ngelanguage yaseMexico.
Spanish.
Ngizokuza ngishaye ngeSpanish ngitshela ukuthi hayi.
Unos, dos, tres, cuatro. That's, I just know how to count a little bit.
Only count.
And then muchas gracias, bienvenidas, y mexicana, something like that. I mean, I thought when I was there that I could easily pick up Spanish.
No.
I can understand the language. Like, if I learned it for 6 months, I would easily pick it up. But I hear from other people as well, it's a difficult language.
No, kungcono Mr. Nkeu. Ngiyacabana njengala maqembu la eMzansi athanda ukusayina labantu abakhuluma iSpain. Manje bazodlalela lakini nabo junior nabo tso ukuthi at least bathole someone ozosebenza lapha
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How was it? You guys were in studio with the rest of the guys about Picasso. Thank you very much to Coach Picasso and everyone who was here, and you, Bobsit, and also TKJ, Gustavo,
and Pacey.
Behind the camera was TKJ as well. Thank you to all of you guys. How was it when you watched? I mean, we know it in a way at the stadium how it was difficult. Mexicans were happy to see their team win. How was it when you watched Bafana Bafana on that night?
Yeah, let me just greet also uGaugelo Mr. Nkeu. Yeah. Mr. Nkeu yazi bekulula for ukuthi ubukele le game, but ukhumbule ukuthi kuba khona la esithinteka ama nerves Mr. Nkeu. You know uma kudlala i-team oyisupportayo kudlala Bafana kuba khona lokuthi ngathi ngenzeka ngalendlela le, but uma ungabheka the way bidlala ngakhona uyabona ukuthi bekunayo bebikhona indlela mhlawumbe ngathi singazama ukwenza kangcono if besikwazile ukureada le game. Ucoach ne-technical team yakhe yonke nje ukuthi if bebakwazile ukureada le game khona besingathi mhlawumbe siphume nakho, but because of uvalo Mr. Nkeu, uvalo umuntu omdala ngiyamblame ngiyacabanga ukuthi the way ayibheka ngakhona le team yakhe ubona singekho singanayo le quality yokuthi we can compete nama team wase Europe.
Yeah, I mean, we played against Panama, 2 friendly matches, and we played against Nicaragua in the last friendly match. And then, of course, Jamaica was behind closed doors. I don't know, I had this feeling, Yoguti, he looks at this team and he doesn't think that they're good enough to score goals against better teams. But it was kind of shocking. Of course, we supported Bafana, we are with them. When we speak about this like this, it doesn't mean that we are being hypercritical. We will never support them. There's no such thing. We love that team. It's our country. But we have to talk about the game. And I think for me, I saw him against Panama again, and then Nicaragua. And I thought to myself, maybe he doesn't trust the attacking players. But still, we have to provide an attacking headache with Mexico, because the formation was all defensive, and even you came out like a prophet because we did say in January ukuthi sizongena ngama defenders our 8. Were you shocked when you saw that formation, 3 center backs, 2 full backs, 3 defensive midfielders?
No, Mr. Nkeu, bengekho shocked, but bengicabanga ukuthi angaba nendlela maybe ukuthi alethe abadlali aba offensive, because this thing njengoba uceda ukumention lama preparation besikade siwayenza, I think we must go back to ama preparation ukuthi ama preparation wethu bezidlala low block or bezidlala ne team ebedlala low block.
Yeah.
I think ama preparation bezidlala nama team engicabanga ukuthi bedlala low block.
Yeah.
Then when now awutholanga i-team engakunikeza something le ukuthi okay ithi ngifundele low block engiyodlala ngayo kulama team engiyakuwo ku-World Cup udlala ne-team edlala low block but when you play against lama team afana ne-Mexico ku-World Cup then wena ufuna ukudlala low block and awuzange uyidlale low block kulama preparation wakho. I think we got it wrong kulama preparation afana nalawo Mr Nkewu. So mina ngicabanga ukuthi the way approach ngakhona leya game bengicabanga ukuthi okay bengekho surprised ukuthi vele sizo defender but
Sure.
into bengizibuza yona ukuthi uyireada kanjani igame awuboni igame ukuthi demanda in because kubalekile Mr Nkewu ukuthi approach game but ukubaleka kakhulu uyiread leya game because opponent sekunendlela edlala ngayo la kumele nawo khona ukubona ukuthi okay opponent idlala ngalendlela mina kumele ngichange le setup ebengize ngayo kumele ngichange manje because opponent iza ngendlela ethize. So ngicabanga ukuthi bashawe ukureada kwegame ukuthi manje yini kumele siyenze because sihleze emuva so5 sinabadlali abawu3 in the middle but akwenzeki nix going forward. Lama strikers wabeke lapha phambili akuna supplier usho ukuthi bayodlala kanjani nama angana supply because you don't have wingers, we don't have number 10. So ngicabanga ukuthi ba disturb ukuthi bangayiread igame Mr Nkewu bekubalekile ukuthi ba read igame bakhona ukubuya ngo plan B before mhlawumbe kungaze kwenzeka lento enzekile ukuthi sithole nama red card.
Yeah, the performances from the players, it was always going to be difficult, obviously, as we mentioned, with the strikers because they need someone to feed them the balls.
Yeah.
I would have loved for one of the strikers to decide, number 10, maybe, one of them to decide, okay, just drop back because we're not getting this ball. In terms of nervousness, that's the first thing we picked up at the stadium. We were like, whoa, everyone is not doing what they're supposed to do. Whereas when they came in, we okay, let's circulate it, let's keep it. But you could see that there was nervousness. Even before the first mistake, Tole, you could see that the players are extremely nervous. They were swallowed by the occasions. The opening match is the FIFA World Cup. Yeah. Those players have never played at the FIFA World Cup. What did you think when you saw them? Like even the body language, tense, they're not being themselves.
Yeah, Mr Nkewu beyikhona lento ukuthi ubone ukuthi abadlali I think nalento ukuthi badlala isystem engazange bayijwayele. If you look at Mbokazi it's because of uyiquality ngokwakhe and he managed to play Mbokazi lapha kumele adlale khona but akadlalanga kule strength ngicabanga ukuthi Mbokazi it's either mangabe mhlawumbe Mbokazi bekadlala le center back akwazi ukuthi athole lesa space mhlawumbe kule midfield siyakwazi ukatheka ila Mbokazi a good khona. So mina Mr Nkewu into engayisho ukuthi abadlali badlala out of position. That is why nokuthuka njengoba usho some of the players abakaze badlale kulesa stage. So ngicabanga ukuthi into ebeyibalekile ukuthi bekumele bathole confidence ngokunokha ibhola ugain confidence ngokunokha ibhola not ukuthi ibhola anilibambi for 30 seconds expectant because at the end of the day vele uzothuka always mawubamba ibhola uzaba nama mistakes ozowenza. Mina vele bengicabanga ukuthi ngcono silinokhe because sibaningi emuva sikhona phakathi asitholeni leyo confidence uma siloko sibhizi silinokho siyayigain confidence singakwazi ukuthi okay manje singasakwazi ukubasaba labantu sikwazi ukuthi okay sibalande uma ngabe sifuna ukuba attacker. So mina ngicabanga ukuthi iproblem ibe lapho Mr Nkewu ukuthi sibe sasaba kakhulu and singakwazi ukuligcina ibhola knowing very well ukuthi sidlala ne-team engama host inumber uma ungabheka kulesa stadium kunabalandeli babo ngebuningi
100%. There was over 80,000 people there and there were maybe less than 200 of us South Africans there. It was nice to see black, white, Indian, colored South Africans there, but there were maybe around 200 of us over 80,000 people. And we tried as much as we can to sing our national anthems. What did you think about the reaction here at home after that loss? We were disappointed when we were there. It reflected on our videos. We put the videos out there. You shot the videos as well here at home. Put the videos out there. People watched them. Most people agreed, of course, because that's how we were feeling. What did you think about the reaction? Because bakhona abanye manje bazama ukulungisa ama-feeling, even the minister as well, no, asiqhubekeni sibasupport amajita, but what they don't understand is that this is not rejection of South Africa. We're not rejecting them. It was a response to that game. It was disappointing. You guys should have done better. What did you think about generally, even Maupeng with social media, the response from the fans?
Mr Nkewu, South African are disappointed because bakhona ukubona ukuthi azange senze kahle as a country, and sometimes you can blame the players but sibheka i-setup ebekade ikhona uma ngabe sibukela ibhola even though you are not qualified ukuba bo coach but you can see ukuthi iSouth Africa la bekumele yenze kangcono because they know ukuthi we have talent la eMzansi. They understand ukuthi sinayo talent but le setup ebesiye ngayo World Cup akusi setup engicabanga ukuthi South African bekayilindele. So obvious bazoba disappointed. That is why abantu abaningi manje babheke kakhulu mhlawumbe lokuthi amanye ama team adlala kanjani. Look at amanye ama African teams ku World Cup badlala
Morocco.
kanjani. Morocco, Egypt idlala kanjani.
I think Ivory Coast, I watched them.
Cape Verde
Cape
badlala
Verde against
kanjani.
Spain as well.
We understand. So now uma ungabheka sekuya kulento ukuthi kanti thina sihlulwa yini because ungabheka I league yase Cape Verde compare ne PSL ubheka abadlali be Cape Verde nabadlali be South Africa besingenza kangcono against I Mexico. And uma ubheka ama team afana nabo bathini le yona I Cape Verde beyidlala nabantu abakaze bake bayiwina le World Cup ukhuluma ngeSpain. Thina le team ezidlala nayo I don't think I Mexico if ngikhumbula kahle
No, they've never won.
So uyabona ukuthi that is why abantu bavele nje babe nalento ukuthi no man bekumele senze ngcono. So ngicabanga ukuthi kule game esiyakuyo bazoyilungisa njengoba ama South African are disappointed Mr Nkewu. Kwamina nje disappointed because the way ngazi talent abanalo laba abadlali abazange basinikeze lento ngicabanga ukuthi bangasinikeza.
100% Bobset, 100%. Bafana lost 2-0 to Mexico in the opening game of the World Cup. We didn't offer much going forward. I suppose the shame as well, as we're discussing this, and I have to reiterate this, we are not rejecting our country. That could never happen. It's not possible because we are South Africans and we will always support Bafana, and we were there to support and sing the national anthem, sing songs for them. You would have seen, I'm sure, all over social media that we were really in support of the team, and we're always in support of the team. But of course, disappointment is disappointment, and there's no way to twist that. We can only express what we saw. As Uba was saying as well, that we have talented players. 4-3-3 defensive, 3 midfielders really that can attack Umbata, Jaden Adams, Utebza, and then you have Ozona Police, and then you have Mufukengwe, any wide attacker, and then you have a central striker. Probably will still lose, but then you will show Mexico some problems going forward as well. Show also scouts all over the world that we do have attacking talent. Because when I got back to my hotel room, there was a TV channel that was playing. It's called TV Azteca. It's in Spanish, a Mexican TV channel. They were playing the second half of that game. I was shocked by how much they were laughing at us. Like literally, Abasagazo, Mexico in Spanish. There's a moment where there's a free kick Utebza who's supposed to shoot it with the Lumbogazi by interceptor. Those guys were laughing like the Spanish commentators, and it's understandable. Of course, they don't think South Africans will even listen to their commentary. They were laughing like for an extended 10-minute period. As I was uploading the videos on my laptop, I'm watching it and I'm listening to the volume. They are laughing at us. So that's the last thing we want to be, the laughing stock of the world. We have what we call a Rexona moment of the week. Now, a Rexona moment of the week is a moment from the game or from the games that won't let you down. I understand it was difficult for Bafana. We had 2 red cards. We considered 2 goals. It looked bleak. But allow me to choose a moment from Bafana. I was very impressed by Umbegeze Mbogazi. Everything was very difficult for us. We were conceding chances, we were conceding red cards, we were conceding goals. But at the back line, Umbegeze Mbogazi at left centre back, he did a lot of good work. He was playing with a left back, Obru Mudiba, who was losing a lot of his position. And Umbegeze Mbogazi rose heads and shoulders above all the defensive performers, including his own goalkeepers and midfielders as well. So he is, for me, the Rexona moment of the week because he did not let us down as Bafana. Completely understand it that we're feeling sad a little bit, but that was the player to pick out who had a brilliant moment. Not just one moment, but the game itself was a good Rexona moment of the week for us, Bafana, and for himself as well, including, I was reading, John Terry, my former captain at Chelsea, former England captain as well, complimenting his performance, which goes to show that he really did well in amongst a few teammates who had not so good performances. But of course, we're still Bafana. Of course, we still wish our team to go further and further at this World Cup. And that was our Rexona moment of the week. Switch gears then, because there is a second and a third game. We'll talk about the second game, and of course, we also want to talk about the expectation from you and from ourselves as well. What do we think is going to happen? Because we think we need one win to at least be in the names. There's 8 names of best number 3s that can go through to the next round. Can we, for the first time in our history, reach the next round of the World Cup, the knockout stages of the World Cup? Let's start with that question, Bobzit. Do you believe? And then we'll talk about the Czech Republic as well.
Yeah, mina I do believe Mr. singenza kangcono, but ngingazi ku driver ukuthi driver yena uyibona kanjani. But mina ngicabanga ukuthi singenza kangcono Mr. Nkewu njengoba sisho sithi sinabadlali ebengenza kangcono, and now go easy because lama team esodlala nawo sesiwabonile adlalile ama first game. So kulula ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi siwa approach kanjani manje because sibonile ukuthi ba good kuphi when they attack, ba good kuphi uma ngabe ba defend. I know bazoza nge different approach kubafana bafana, but nathi singabanikeza something Mr. Nkewu. So ngicabanga ukuthi yasingenza kangcono, especially uma sizozama ukuthi silethe ama attacking players.
Well, the interesting thing, Bobzit, is that we are looking at the South Korea or the Czech Republic to take at least 3 points, qualify. Everyone in that group is looking at us as free 3 points as well. That's the negative psychological effect of losing. I was happy that it stayed 2-0 because, towards the last 10 minutes of that game I was so depressed, actually. That's the word to use, depressed. But I was like, okay, let it stay 2-0, because at some point goal difference is going to come back to haunt us. And at that time we had 2 men down on my red card. I think, including the Czech Republic, including South Korea, they think that there's free 3 points to take from us.
That's true, Mr. Nkewu. And basibheka ngeliso la coach Hugo Bros. But bangasibheka ngequality abadlali esinabe South Africa. Bazo understand ukuthi singaba disappoint singama underdogs. But vele uma uyibheka bafana ubheka ngama tactics ucoach eza ngawo. Obvious uzobheka ama 3 points. But ngicabanga ukuthi ma bangaswitcha nje basibheke the way iSouth Africa igude ngakhona ngabadlali, ngiyacabanga ukuthi bangaba surprise. So obvious ngisho vele nami basho ukuthi guys the only team ekumele sithole 3 points ibafana bafana, but singaba surprised because everyone now will understand ukuthi okay siyabasaba Mr. Nkewu, sizofuna ukuba defend, but as attacking labantu this time siba attack sazi ukuthi sizo defender kanjani because si good ku attack. Mr. Nkewu ngiyakutshela angiboni uma uHugo Bros anga change ukuthi singabuya singakoranga uma ngabe siyabuya asiqualify ku next stage, but ngicabanga ukuthi kwamele nethini sifike Mr. Nkewu. Into engibonayo kumele sifike nethini because uma ungabheka a team like Orlando Pirates manje hambe ubheka ukuthi score how many goals. So ubheke iceda uwina le league, ubheke iSundowns iceda uwina iCAF Champions League and angeke uyiwine igame without scoring. So usho wona ukuthi let's go and siyobona ukuthi siyohluleka sizamile because akusho ukuthi sihluleke singazange zami. Let's try sibone ukuthi okay si try kanjani going forward, but siphinde sibe careful nakhona ku defense, not ukuthi sithi siyo defender ngabadlali about 2, but ngicabanga ukuthi let's try ukuthi siyo attacker sibone ukuthi yini abasiphathele yona.
You might as well help us, give us your idea of your lineup.
Mr. Nkewu, yazi i-lineup engibhekayo manje ngibheke because of naye uMadala unendlela mhlawumbe afuna uku-approach ngayo, but mina nga-defender nga-4 this time. Ngidlale le 3 midfielders then ngidlale nga-3 up front. So ngicabanga ukuthi ngingadlala ngokhuliso obvious uRonza, ngibuye ngidlale ngo-Ocon nomdlali uMbokazi.
Sure.
Then ila ngekho sure.
Was a question mark on Aubrey. We trust him, we love him.
Yes.
But he made Mbokazi work over time. Effectively, Mbokazi bekasagcina ayi left back because of Aubrey. And I understand it was because of technical instruction ukuthi asina winger so sicela uhambe phambili, but still it meant you left your position there. So do you think you would then have to change him for Cross?
No, not for Cross. Uma ngabe uObra kadlali ngadlalisa uKabini ngifuna i-height because ubheke iCzech Republic i-team engicabanga ukuthi basebenzisa kakhulu ama set piece. So le height esinayo lapha emuva kumele ukuthi siyinake Mr. Nkewu because if bazothola ama set piece siyo struggleisha ukuthi si defend la set piece.
They scored twice against South Korea. I watched them again at the hotel. They scored 1 goal which was a long throw in a height. Then the second one, they had rolled out for VAR. It was a free kick in height. That's one specialization. They're, I think, the best team kuma set pieces.
If I use Ukabini Mr. Nkewu, I'm expecting more kulela side ukuthi singa attacka ngalo sizobe sine winger elifana no Apolis kulela side so into engizoyidinga ukuthi rest defense yami if sikhuphuka ngokhuliso ku attack as singama defenders kumele sibe na 3 rest defense which is Ocon uMbokazi noKabini uKabini angidingi more going forward because ngifuna leya height uma ngabe mhlawumbe siyo defender kuKabini ang expectanga more so ku midfield ngiletha uMbatha Mr Nkewu njengoba uyaya thola red card ngiletha uMbatha ngiletha uTebza ngiletha uJayden but ngizodinga ukuthi uJayden kube uyo uzongidlalela u6 why uJayden is also good ku aerial noma nginomkwena nginoMbatha going forward nginabantu abane energy bangakwazi ukuya bazobuya ba assist uJayden and also bayakwazi ukuthatha ama shot uma ngabe ba next to the box badlale as ama 8 out 2 lamajita so obvious ngizoba ngino Apolis ngasebenzisa uMaseko ka right if angisebenzisa usibilibili but ngathanda uMaseko so that akwazi ukukhatha in vector position as a number 10 so that ukhulisa akwazi ukusebenzisa lela side but up front Mr Nkewu ngibuya ngokwana City this time uma Khupa ngiyamdinga kulesa striking force because the guy good aerial and their team ngiyabona naye ukuthi emoyeni bakhona uma ungambheka manje uMakhupa uma bamletha kuleya game uzamile ukucontesta kuma aerial ball but besingana number up front so that ukwazi win ama second ball so now if mhlawumbe sibona ukuthi liyasixaka la then sidlalisa kuMakhupa uyakwazi ukucontest bazoba bakhona abo Apolis uzaba khona mhlawumbe uMaseko next to him or uSibelebeli so that we can try ukuthi siwine lama second ball so ngendlela ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ngasinceda if ngaletha ungana sesi up front Mr Nkewu
100% interesting Ronwen Williams Khurisho Mudau right back left back Samukelo Kabini center back Ima Ocon and Mbegezeli Mbokazi your 3 midfielders are Jayden Adams Umbatha no Tebza Mokoena. On the left, you have Ozona Police. Central, you have Makhopa. On the right, you have Tapelo Masego. Still, there's an attacking impetus there. There are questions that you can ask from the Czech Republic. We cannot afford to play the way we played against Mexico.
Exactly, Mr Nkewu. Kumele sichange. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi if Hugo Bros ubonile ukuthi imistake enzekile kuleya game ini. Yes, ngiunderstand na bayafuna i-draw afuna ukuthi singa concede but manje is a must win game Mr Nkewu. Because if we are going to draw their game, so it's further under pressure. Last game, everyone knows ukuthi uma ngiya kule game already ngiphumile or ngiyangena ku last 16. So this is a must-win game. Ngicabanga ukuthi bafana mangabe ifuna ukuzibona iqualify ku the next stage. Kumele ukuthi siwine le game Mr Nkewu.
All right, let's wrap it up. Do you believe Bafana will get to the next round?
I believe Mr Nkewu. Bafana can qualify ku next round. As long as ngisho ngithi akube nama changes Mr Nkewu uma kuzoba nama changes mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi ibafana singayibona idlala as long as mayisiyothola leya win Mr Nkewu ngicabanga ukuthi kuyoba kunama chances amakhulu kakhulu ukuthi singawin siyabona ama team la Africa enza kangcono Mr Nkewu because abana valo uma bayidlala because you know ukuthi it's difficult 0.1% ukuthi ungawin iWorld Cup as we South African but why ungayi all out ke uma ubona ukuthi okay yes ngiya defender but second game kumele ngichange indlela okwenza even if ngizoyiluza le game but angibonise ukuthi ngizamile ukatheka but ngihlulekile so for me Mr Nkewu ngicabanga ukuthi sinayo ichance ukuthi singadlala ku next round as long as uMadala ayo change leya mentality yokuthi mhlambe kumele sidefend.
How does it feel to be a prophet? You said we're going to play 8 defenders and that's exactly what happened. How does it feel?
No man, yes Mr Nkewu ezinye izinto kumele it's not like ukuthi usuka uprofeta ngaleyo ndlela.
Uyibona emanzini.
No, kumele ukuthi uanalyze mhlawumbe umuntu uqala. Ngiqale ngimbheke lo muntu ukuthi okay, lo muntu lo umuntu onjani. You understand? It's like manje bathi ufuna ukugijima comrade marathon. Ngizobheka ku Mr Nkewu ukuthi no man. uMr Nkewu mangithi ngiyambheka kulama training wakhe awenzayo.
Mina ngeke
understand.
Angeke ngizwe ngifinish on 100 meters.
Uyokhona ukubona ukuthi hayi man, uMr Nkewu ngathi une enkele man. And enkele yamhluphe yabo. So angiboni ukuthi mhlawumbe angafika nokufika kuleya so kumele ukuthi at least iR24 emergency hlali iready ukuthi kunabantu kumele ukuthi balande so izinto ezifana nalezo kumele ubheke umuntu ukuthi okay ngicabanga ukuthi lo muntu lo mangithi ngibheka ama game wakhe njengaye siyamazi man njengamanje ngimangele mina ukuthi bekafuna ukudlala kanjani ngabadlala abana speed Hugo Bros uthanda ukusebenzisa le space kuma winger if ungakhumbula bonkotha hlala ngimention unkotha because of umdlalo ngimbone enza kahle kakhulu kule system yaka Hugo Bros ukuthi ufuna ukuthi at least kube nalawa ama space then sidlale diagonal play switche Apolis aswitchele ngale umdlalo ongala switchela ngapha so ngicabanga ukuthi bekuyilento ukuthi ngibheke ucoach Hugo Broos nangendlela ngibona anovalo ngakhona a respect ama team ase Europe ngakhona ukuthi no man akusilula ukuthi ucoach angaya pound for lama team because wayibeka safike eSouth Africa ukuthi ubona kwangathi quality esinayo asinayo quality enough compared to lamazwe ase Europe so ngicabanga ukuthi konke lokho ekumele ukubonise ukuthi coach Hugo Broos anga approach kanjani ama game wakhe.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much, Bob Zed. That is our discussion around Bafana Bafana, the previous game and the next game. The next game will be at 6 p.m. Thursday, South African time. This episode was proudly brought to you by Rexona. It won't let you down. For the next 6 weeks, we will try to not let you down. Thank you very much for joining us. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.